If you're tired of your hair being tangled and dry all the time, even after you wash it, this simple treatment is gonna make a world of a difference on your hair. By doing this simple step, it's gonna help your hair be soft and detangle better during wash day. Coming up today. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kinky Naturally, helping you love and grow your natural hair the natural way. Today is another amazing DIY video. You guys know that I love DIY videos, and if you have dry, brittle and tangled hair all the time, then this video is for you. You want to check it out and wait till the end so I can give you all the step-by-step on how to reduce breakage and have better hair length retention on your wash day routine. Coming up today. Before we jump into this video, I would love if you would consider subscribing to my channel so we can grow this family. I talk about my natural hair journey, DIY treatment that can improve your hair and help you experience in your own kitchen with ingredients that can grow your hair naturally. Let's jump into the video. Alright guys, now we're gonna gather all ingredients, and the first one is gonna be mango. It has a lot of properties, nutrients and vitamins that can be very beneficial for your hair. It also helps promote hair growth and healthy scalp and protect hair against heat damage. The next ingredient is gonna be coconut milk, and coconut milk is high in vitamins that promote healthy hair such as vitamin C, E, and B. The next ingredient is gonna be black castor butter, which softens, defines, and moisturizes hair. It's also made with 100 pure Haitian Black castor oil and other ingredients that are good for your hair. We're gonna then blend our mixture and we're gonna get everything smoothed out. You can add essential oils to it, but it's also good. You get a nice hair treatment that you are able to do from your own kitchen, and the consistency should not be too hard nor too runny, so you can smoothly apply it to your hair. Overall, this PrePoo is gonna be softening and packed with ingredients that are good for your natural hair to get soft and moisturized. We're gonna apply this as a PrePoo, but feel free to also apply that as a hair mask because it doesn't have anything that's gonna mess up your hair after shampooing and conditioning your hair. You don't need water because this has a watery consistency, and that's why I'm not even gonna apply water. Just use your fingers, which are the best tool at your disposition that God bless you with. You're gonna use your hands and apply the product from tips to the roof as any other hair treatment you would do, and I'm gonna continue doing so on my hair for the next minutes. The reason why this treatment is such an amazing one for your hair is because it has antioxidant, antibacterial, and also antifungal properties. It also has many vitamins, which we spoke about before, and it also has citric acid just like lemon and beta carotene just like sweet potatoes, thanks to the mango. And coconut milk itself helps nourish and moisturize and soften hair naturally, and it also is an amazing relief for dry hair and dry scalp. This amazing treatment is gonna help you, and this is something you can do on a weekly or monthly basis, but if you want to fight dry hair, I recommend you doing it more often, which is gonna help your hair grow even better. I'm gonna continue applying remaining on my hair, but you guys already see the difference. My hair is soft, it is moisturized, and it's overall just looking better. And I'm gonna continue applying the remaining, like I said, on my hair, and look at that result that I got. My hair went from looking dry and very tangled to soft, moisturized, and well detangled. This is one of the benefits of PrePooing your hair before your wash day routine, so you can avoid breakage and promote healthy hair length retention. Once you're done, you don't have to do anything else but just leave it to sit so your hair can drink. the nutrient for a little while, just like any hair treatment. Look at how much hair I lost, not a lot at all. And once you're done, you cover your hair with a shower cap. You can leave this treatment on for about 15 minutes to 30 minutes. No need to leave it overnight. Your hair is gonna have plenty of nutrient from before you put it until later. Then you can proceed to the next step. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. It was with you, Kenki Naturally. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing if you're interested in more videos like this. I post a video once a week, and I would love for you to join this family. In the meantime, until I see you again, please take care.